Hi, very good morning. My name is Noliana binti Muhammad Saidi. My metric number is S56466. Today I want to present about post-harvest of watermelon. It is about the current problem of watermelon crop and alternative solution to improve productivity. Now I will continue with introduction. Watermelon is a refer to both fruit and plant of a vine like cucumber and trulle. It's a herb originally from South Africa and one of the most common type of melon, a member of cucurbit family, which also include rock melon, honeydew melons, cucumber, pumpkin, squash, zucchini, and other gourds. It is common in fruit platters or as a refreshing dessert at a picnic. Watermelon are available in a wide range of size and shape. Now I will continue with the current problem in the watermelon crop. For the first one is physiological and physical disorder. It typically occurs after storage at temperature 7 degrees Celsius. Disorders for 7 days. Symptoms of chilly injury include pitting, decline in fresh color, loss of flavor, and increased decay when returned to room temperature. It also occurs when improper handling and loading of bulk watermelon too often result in serious transit loss due to brushing and cracking. Internal brushing leads to premature fresh breakdown and mealiness. For the next one is pathological disorder. Disease can be important source of post-harvest loss depending on season, disorder region and local climatic condition at harvest. Generally, these losses are low in comparison with a physical injury due to brushing and ruffling. For the example is blackroot that caused by Didymella brownie and anthracnose caused by Coletotrichum orbiculum and Phytophthora fruit rot are common in areas with high rainfall and humidity during production and harvest and extensive list of stem and blossom and ring decay or surface lesion may occur including the bacterium Erwinia and the fungal pathogen Alternaria botrytis, Cladosporium, Geotrichum rhizopus, and occasionally Mucor fusarium trichothecum. Here is the example of pathological disorder. The first one is anthracnose decay of watermelon fruit. For the second picture is waxy spot and associated whitish mold growth of Phytophthora infected fruit. For the third one is fusarium root on sugar baby watermelon. And the last one is symptom of stem rot. Now I will talk about the alternative solution that aim to improve the productivity. Here is the solution that have 3 points, that is harvesting method, field assembly and packaging, and the last one is type of packaging. For the point number 1 is harvesting method. Watermelon are harvested in the afternoon by cutting the stem with a sharp knife rather than pulling the fruit out. Afternoon harvest may reduce the risk of cracking if the field have received abundance of water during the previous night. If plants are not turgid field, heat can be minimized by harvesting in the morning. watermelon do not ripen off the vine. However, holding them for 7 days and over at room temperature will improve the flavor and color in citrus varieties. Take care of the wet and dirty soil. If watermelon get dirty, clean them with a wet and clean cloth. Now for the second point is field assembling and packaging. After harvesting, watermelon are stacked in the field itself on the side rather than on end to reduce the risk of cracking. Placing them in the shaded area will allow to minimize the build-up of heat and avoid quality reduction. Packaging in fiber box or bag. Load in bins in the field itself, taking care to load only dry rather than dew covered fruits. Post-harvest cleaning and packing is done in the field itself when the field is easily accessible. Storage at 10 to 15 degrees Celsius and 90% relative humidity, and the fruit can be kept for 2 to 3 weeks after harvest. Prolonged storage will be responsible for reduction in crispness and color. For the last point is type of packaging. Melon should be packed in clearly marked cardboard bins. Inspect all containers to ensure no sharp objects which may damage the fruit are present. Ensure minimum handling of melon, as extra handling is expensive and may harm the fruit. Seeded melon are sorted and packed in large, sturdy 3-wall fiberboard container. This is the example of how we pack the watermelon. For the first picture, we can see watermelon fruit with styrofoam jacket. And the second picture is corrugated paper box for packing of fresh watermelon fruit. And the last one is watermelon fruit in the paper box cushioned with newspaper shred. For the conclusion, the proper post-harvest technologies can be minimized by the post-harvest loss. The quality cannot be improved after harvest the fruit at optimum maturity. It has to be done by cleaning, sorting, grading, packaging, storing and transportation. That are the major post-harvest activity, and that should be done appropriately and timely. That's all from me. Thank you.